because I'm not really.
All right, pay attention.
Hello?
I can hear you again.
Okay.
Yeah, we were talking about the excuse me.
I understand. They're supposed to be getting you evaluated, Mr. Smith. If they haven't evaluated you yet, there's nothing I can really do.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Then leave me here, because taking blood to take from someone is uncool, and I'm done giving. I never wanted to give blood.
Okay.
I need my blood. It's like oil in a car. I don't work well when they keep taking my blood.
Okay. Well, let's hopefully they won't do that anymore.
Yeah. Like tell them, chill out a little bit with the psychiatry. I know they like to make money, but I don't want to support the drug companies to bring me down in life. I'd rather just sit where I'm at, sleep well, eat well, and let my health take care of itself.
Very well. Okay. We'll see what the judge says. Okay.
I'm not threatened here in this place either.
Okay.
I have a good roommate. He's very generous. I'm getting some coffee, which is good.
Okay.
I'm not in a rush, but I'm not usually a bearded man.
Yeah, well, hopefully you can get shaved soon.
I've asked, they do know I want to shave, but I'm not persisting on anything. I'm trying to be as good as I can, but
yeah, well, that's what I want you to keep doing. Don't cause any problems.
I was on the train. It was hectic for a while because I actually thought my girlfriend was in the threat of being raped, because I did go to the border a long time ago. I was very concerned, but I'm 99.9% sure she's okay. So that was a big concern to me. So sleep right now. I haven't been working. I don't have a paycheck. I do have a disability claim, a claim that they allowed me about 6 or 8 months ago, somewhere around there. And that's my income, but I can't slide my card for my cash if I don't have one.
Yeah. So, now you get paid. You get a check every month from disability.
Excuse me?
You get a check every month from disability.
Yes, it's been about 6 months. It's about $1,900 a month, so I can survive.
All right, Mr. Smith. Okay.
Mr. Smith, hold on, counsel. You and your client are not in a breakout room, so I just want to make sure that you're aware of that.
Your Honor, we've done, Your Honor. We're ready.
So yes, I could survive on a disability claim. They allow me 30 credits.
Don't worry about that, Mr. Smith. Don't worry about that right now.
Okay, hold on, please. Hold on. Okay, let's go on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Smith, 231353. Next, I'm gonna, Mr. Shaj, I'm gonna have you put your appearance on the record for a moment, Mr. Smith. So be careful.
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Shahjar on behalf of the people, PH 6332.
Thank you. And Mr. Taylor, your appearance, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith.
This is the 27th district, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir. And your name, please, for the record.
Your name, Mr. Smith. State your name, please. State your name, please.
Oh, Kevin Francis Smith.
Okay, thank you. So today was the date scheduled for a review because Mr. Smith was ordered to be referred for competency evaluation and criminal responsibility. What I'm going to state is that he's only going to be sent over for, the court's going to rescind its order regarding criminal responsibility evaluation as the first step is competency examination. And also pursuant to MCL 768.20A, the appropriate avenue for an assertion of criminal responsibility evaluation would be at the Third Circuit Court if Mr. Smith is deemed competent and bound over for trial. So,
Your Honor,
the
may I
court's
say
going to
something?
do, okay, yes, Mr. Taylor,
Yeah, what did you say? I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
May I say some, one more thing?
hold on, Mr. Smith, hold on.
I do
Mr.
make
Smith,
computers,
Mr. Smith,
Lenovo
Mr.
computers.
Smith, please hold on. Mr. Smith, just one moment, please, just one moment. What was your question, Mr. Taylor?
It's my understanding he hadn't been evaluated yet.
So my biggest thing is, I designed some computers, Lenovo, small letters are, there's a little R, a little L, and a capital L. Through this computer, the capital can hear me. They see me and hear me. So I don't know why I just can't get a shade. I mean, I don't, what their problem is at the capital. You know,
Right.
there's a lot of issues, but they get a shave every morning too.
Okay, counsel, I'm sorry, Mr. Smith, have you even been evaluated yet?
Evaluate, I'm fine. I don't know what the evaluation is for. I could use a shave though. I mean, if we put everything in the right perspective here, I could use a shave and a haircut. I mean, I've asked for one, must have been.
Okay. All right, the court will note that this matter,
I mean, I'm representing myself looking like a
Hold on, sir.
lumberjack.
Mr. Smith,
Okay.
Mr. Smith. You
Yes,
gotta
go ahead.
listen, Mr. Smith. Listen, please.
I need you to not interrupt right now because we can't record more than one person, okay? The court's going to note that on September 28th, the review was held and, the defendant had not yet been evaluated by the Center for Forensic Psychiatry. We adjourned this matter to October 12th. October 12th, the report was not yet received and we're not even sure if he was evaluated. Mr. Smith, please stop interrupting. And then
Does someone have egg on their face? And someone do something wrong with the medication that they're just trying to do something that
Mr. Smith.
Okay, counsel, I just muted your client so that he's not interrupting the court.
Mr.
The court
Smith,
will
you
Mr.
gotta be
Taylor,
quiet, Mr. Smith.
Mr. Taylor, I muted your client so that we don't have that problem right now. And so the court is going to note that I don't think that your client's been evaluated yet. So
No,
we will set this matter, we'll adjourn this to December 7th. That'll be a few more weeks.
Okay, very well. And I'll try to get my investigator and find out what's going on before he haven't got evaluated, Your Honor.
That'd be fantastic. Thank you.
Okay, December 7th.
And just so you know, 10 a.m. and counsel, I'm going to rescind the order regarding criminal responsibility.
Thank you. That's beautiful. December 7th to 10. I got it. Hey, Mr. Smith, I'll get by and see you, okay? Okay.
Okay, well, hold on. Counsel, I muted him, so I have to unmute him so he can respond to you. Okay, so Mr. Smith, your attorney is gonna try to get in touch with you, okay?
Yes.
Yes, but of course.
All right,
Bonding conditions are continued. We'll see you
All
back
right,
on
thank you,
December
Your Honor.
7th.
December 7th at 10 o'clock. I got it. Thank you.
December 7th at 10?
Yes, that's our next hearing.
That's perfect. I have all the time in the world.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.
Name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Detective Joseph Carl, Wyandotte Police Department.
All right, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear from the testimony about to give this man to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And counsel, you may proceed on the word.
Your Honor, November 6th, about 10:50 p.m., Officer Adam Grove was in the area of 2nd and Emmons, where he heard an extremely loud vehicle exhaust coming from that appeared to be coming from the neighborhood between Goddard and Emmons. Upon further investigation, Officer Grove observed an off-road vehicle with multicolored flashing lights traveling northbound Alfred at speeds that appeared to be much greater than the posted 25. Officer Grimm reported that he was able to catch up to the vehicle near Emmons and Electric in Lincoln Park where a traffic stop was conducted. Officer Grimm made contact with the driver of the vehicle, later identified as the defendant, Michael Cash. Officer Grimm reported that while speaking with the defendant, he was informed that a pistol was inside the vehicle near the center council area. Officer Grimm was able to observe a black pistol and pill bottle in the glove near the center council area. The defendant was asked to exit the vehicle where he was detained for further investigation, and the firearm was secured. Officer Grimm reported that the defendant did have a CPL, a valid CPL. However, the pistol was unregistered per lien SOS. Officer Grote further reported that he recovered several different pills from the defendant's vehicle, several of which were identified as acetaminophen hydrocodone. The defendant was then placed under arrest and conveyed to the station where he was booked and held. A MAPS report was later completed regarding defendant, and it was confirmed that the defendant did not have a prescription for the acetaminophen hydrocodone pills.
Thank you. Upon examination of the complaining witness, I find that the offenses charged were committed and that there's probable cause to believe the defendant committed those offenses. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Judge. Attorney Corey Westmoreland appearing on behalf of Mr. Catch.
Thank you. And Mr. Cash, your name, please.
Yes, my name is Michael Cash, Your Honor.
All right. And counsel asks the arraignment.
At this time, Judge, we are prepared to waive a formal reading. My client stands mute.
The court waives the formal reading. Sir, you have the right to have an attorney. If you cannot afford one, the court will appoint one to represent you. And in fact, you've had an opportunity to speak with an attorney today, correct?
Yes.
All right. You do also have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have a trial by a judge or by a jury. And you also have the right to remain silent. Anything you say orally or in writing may be used against you in court. Do you understand those rights, sir? I can't hear you.
Yes.
All right, thank you. The court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Schedule this matter for probable cause conference on November 16th at 8:40 a.m. And the court has also signed a petition order for court-appointed attorney for felony matters. And counsel asked to bond.
Yes, Your Honor. I would like you to know that my client does not have any prior criminal history. He's not currently on probation or parole. He has no other pending matters out of any other jurisdiction. He is a resident living in Garden City. He is self-employed. He owns his own concrete construction business. He is a graduate of Olivet College, where he also played football for 4 years. Taking that all into account, Judge, I am strongly requesting consideration for a personal bond on his behalf, as he did assure me that he would be appearing at all future court dates and has no history of absconding.
All right, Detective Carr, as to bond.
Your Honor, considering the circumstances of the arrest and the incident, I'm going to recommend $1,000 cash bond just to reassure the defendant's next court appearance.
Okay, and sir, how long have you resided down? Well, you're in Wayne County, but not quite Wyandotte. But how long have you resided back down in Wayne County?
I've been in Wayne County, Garden City specifically. I've been in Garden City for probably close to 10 years, but Wayne County, probably 15 to 20 years. I've lived there most of my whole life. I'm only 28.
Okay, no, okay, well, I guess I should clarify that. How long have you been back from college?
As soon as I got back from college in 2016, that's when I pursued to open up my own business, concrete business, and I've been in business ever since 2016, which is when I got back and graduated with a 4-year degree.
All right, and so you own the business?
Yes.
And sir, if you're tested today, what's in your system?
I have nothing in my system other than what I'm prescribed for. That hydrocodone, that Adderall that was found inside my vehicle. I do have prescriptions. I do have prescriptions from my doctor, and I do have bottles. I do obviously accept that I should have had all 3 different separate bottles instead of
No,
just one.
Mr. Cash, don't speak about the case any further.
Have you ever failed to appear in court, sir? Sir?
No, Your Honor, I have not.
Are you currently on probation or parole anywhere, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Are you out on bond in any other jurisdiction?
No, Your Honor.
All right, given the nature of the charges and the felony nature and the weapon that's involved as well, the court's going to order a.
Judge, I would like to note also that Mr. Cash does have a CPL. That is valid.
Okay, thank you for clarifying that. The court is going to order a $7,500 10% bond. Or in the event you are posting bond, are you posting that $7,500 10% bond, sir?
Will I be able to use the money that they had on me when I get picked up?
I don't know, Detective, was that money,
Right, that's been forfeited, at this point, the officer, decided to forfeit that money.
okay, so the court, I'm sorry, I'm just going to order in the event you do post bond, you're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed, you're not to possess any weapons at this point. Or firearms. All right, thank you. All
Thank you,
right, have a good day.
Jill, you want me to come?
Yeah, please.
Off the record for-